Hi everyone, my name is Enzo Simon and I'm a computer science student. Today I want to show you the Comics Books Catalog, a full-stack desktop application I developed using Java and MySQL. The goal of this project was to build a robust system to manage large collections, focusing on solid software architecture and database integrity. So let's start with the functionalities. Uh, Let me just compile here. So as you can see, we have a secure login system that connects directly to the database. Let's just log in. Oh, I missed that. Might at least work. One, two, three. Okay. Okay. Uh, Once we're in, the dashboard allows the user to manage publisher, series, issues, collections. So let's simulate with series. It's in Portuguese here, but I'm going to be translating here the first card. It's the name of the series. Let's put some, I don't know, Watchmen. I'm a big fan of this one. It's not actually a series, but okay. The date of the publisher is something like this, 1982, and the owner in this case is DC Comics. So here we can save, and that's it. We can see right here. Okay, so the systems handle relation data. For example, you can create an issue without a magazine, and you can create a magazine without a publisher. This ensures that data consistency, and I also implemented dynamic filters so user can search by name, editor, or issue number. Instance, like if I just put A, it's just gonna show names who start with the letter A. You're just saving. And here we can like search by editor. Let me just here, DC. Then gonna show all the DC magazines, all the DC series in this case. Okay, okay. So I think that's it. Another cool feature that I made, it's the which already I have already demonstrated. It's the internationalization. Here you can see like we have the app supports both English and Portuguese using Java resource bundles. But I unfortunately I made just for the menu, so just work here. Like we if we go over here, it's still in Portuguese. I made just to practice, just for the demonstration. And oh, here in the collection, it's where your real collection, you can see your real collection. So like we have, oh, in my collection I have Absolute Superman, the edition number one and the edition number two. So if I can filter here and search like, oh, that's it. Okay, right. So let's take a look under the hood. I structured the entire project using the MVC architecture. So what I really want here is to keep the business logic strictly separate from the user interface, just to keep the code clean and maintainable. So for the database interaction, I implemented the DAO patterns. Basically, isolate all the SQL commands in their own layer. This is super important, not just for organization, but also for security against things like SQL injection. Plus, I used a singleton for the connection factory. It's right here, connection factory. Ensuring the app manages database resources efficiently without opening unnecessary connections. Now, building this wasn't without the challenges, of course. One of the main things I had to tackle with was input validation. You know how it is. Users can type anything, so I implemented specific strike catch blocks to handle errors gracefully. For example, if someone tries to type text into a numeric field, like the year, the app catches the error and warns the user instead of just crashing. Overall, this project really solidified my understanding of object-oriented programming and relational database design. If you want to dig deeper into the code or fork the project, the link to my GitHub is right down in the description. Thanks for watching.